Plasma layer structure important for essay question. Mainly plasma layer present in animal cell and plant cells. In plant cell, plasma layer present below the cell wall. It made by phospholipids and protein chemicals. Phospholipids and protein chemicals. Based on the arrangement of phospholipids and protein chemicals, the plasma layer structure explained different theories. In our syllabus, 4 important theories are here. First theory is bilayer theory. Bilayer theory. Bilayer theory explained by Danieli Dawson, scientist. According to his theory, the plasma layer made by 2 layers of lipids. 2 layers of lipid. Children, lipids are containing spheroidal head and tail-like structures. These are the tail. The tail towards inside of plasma membrane. So these tails are called hydrophobic tail. Spheroidal head towards liquid. So these heads are called hydrophilic head. Hydrophobic tail, hydrophilic head. The phospholipid, each phospholipid containing spheroidal head and 2 tail-like structures. The spheroidal head towards outside, it attracted towards water side, it attracted towards cytoplasm side. So these heads are called hydrophilic heads, and tails towards inside of plasma layer. So these tails are also called hydrophobic tails. They are phobia to water. So they are present towards inner side of the plasma layer. Hydrophobic tail. Based on the Danieli Dawson, scientist, plasma layer made by 2 layers of lipids. 2 layers means bilayered. Here it is, here to here it is 1 layer, here to it is 1 layer. 2 layers of phospholipids are present in the formation of plasma membrane. It is in semi-permeable structure. From this theory, protein particles are not explained. Danieli Dawson explained about only bilayered theory. The bilayers are made by only phospholipids, but he didn't explain about the proteins. So basically, it is the initial theory. Now next theory is tri-layer theory. It collected from the Danieli Dawson. So it is also called Danieli Dawson model. But the Danieli Dawson model, it is the initial theory. The initial theory, based on the initial theory, Robertson explained tri-layer theory. Tri-layer theory. See children, tri-layer theory is mainly made by 2 phospholipid layers and 2 protein layers. The 2 phospholipid layers are also called single layer. The bilipid layer act as a single layer in the tri-layer theory. In the tri-layer theory, mainly plasma membrane made by 3 layers. Outer protein layer, inner protein layer. Between these 2 protein layers, phospholipid layer is present. According to Danieli Dawson, phospholipids are arranged in the bilayer theory. So in the tri-layer theory, the 2 layers of phospholipids act as a single layer only. Act as a single layer. It explained by the Danieli Dawson, scientist. At outside, protein layer is present. It clearly visible at outside of plasma layer. Below the protein layer, phospholipid, phosphobilipid layer is present. And below this phosphobilipid layer, another protein layer is present. See here also, from the phosphobilipid layer, hydrophobic tail towards inside, hydrophilic heads towards outside. Hydrophilic heads towards outside, hydrophobic tail towards inside. See, between these plasma membrane, pore-like structures are present. The pore-like structures made by only polar protein. So these are also called polar pores. These are mainly helps in exchange of minerals, liquids from cell to cell, between cell to cell. And the next theory is micellar theory. Micellar theory explained by Hoffman scientist. Micellar theory explained by Hoffman scientist. According to his theory, phosphobilipid layers are absent. These are the phosphobilipid layers. These are absent in the formation of plasma layer. Only micelle groups are present. Micelle groups means phospholipids are arranged in a spheroidal structure is called micelle groups. The micelle groups are arranged in the single orals of phospholipid layer is called micelle. If the phospholipid layers are arranged in a two layers called liposomes. Liposomes are present in the formation of plasma layer, or micelle groups are present in the formation of plasma layer. Here also, in each plasma layer, in each plasma membrane, mainly phospholipids are containing spheroidal head, it towards water region called aquatic region called hydrophilic head, and tails towards to inside of plasma layer called hydrophobic tails. So this, according to this theory, micellar groups are present in the formation of plasma layer, but micellar groups are cannot identified in the formation of plasma layer. So this theory is cannot accepted by the scientists. Now important theory is fluid mosaic theory. It is acceptable theory. It is accepted by all scientists. It explained by the Singer and Nicholson scientists. Fluid like a plasma layer. Plasma layer look like a fluid like structure. It made by phospholipids and protein chemicals. The protein chemicals are towards two types. They are outer proteins and inner proteins. Outer proteins towards outside of the plasma layer. They look like a iceberg like structures. They present at the peripheral region of the plasma layer. They called glycoprotein. The glycoprotein containing carbohydrate side chains. Carbohydrate side chains are present on the glycoprotein. Then another protein is integral protein. Integral protein present at the center region or middle portion of the plasma layer. They are mainly helps in transmembrane protein. They are also called transmembrane protein. See children, on these phospholipid bilayered hydrophobic region is present. Hydrophilic region also present. Hydrophilic region means head towards outside of plasma layer or towards attractive of cytoplasm called hydrophilic region, and hydrophobic tail towards inside. So it is acceptable theory. And one more important point, each phospholipid molecule rotate selfly as a screw like structure, right-handed screw like structure. By these movement of phospholipids, any liquids, any molecules are easily enter into to outside, are easily enter into to inside of plasma layer, are easily enter to outside of plasma layer. So it is acceptable theory. It is important.